Hello everyone, my name is Renuka. So my channel will help you learn German to crack A1 and A2 level of exams. This video is for beginners A1 level. The first lesson is alphabets in German. So the best thing is the alphabets in English and German are exactly the same. The only difference is the pronunciation. So let's get started. So the alphabet A in English is exactly the same in German. Like I said, the alphabets in German and English are same. So the alphabet A is pronounced as A. Yeah, A. Alphabet B is pronounced as B. B. C as C. C. D as D. E as A. F as F. Yeah, so this is the same as in English. G as gay. Yeah, so you will not pronounce the alphabet G as G, but then as gay. H as ha. Ha. I as E. Yeah, E. J as yacht. Yeah, it's yacht. K as ka. Ka. L as L. Yeah, L. M as M. M. So it's same in English and in German. The pronunciation is same. N as N. Yeah, so M and N is basically the same thing with the same pronunciation. O as O. O. P as P. P. Q as Q. Q. I'm sorry. Q as Q. R as R. Yeah, R. R. S as S. T as T. Yeah, it's T. U as oo. Yeah, it's oo. V as fow. Yeah, fow. W as w. W. X as x. X. Y as epsilon. Epsilon. Yeah, it's epsilon. Epsilon. Z as set. Yeah, it's set. So all the alphabets, what you have in English, you have it even in German. But then yes, there are few other characters, extra characters which you have in German. We'll see what it is. Yeah, so there is something called as, if you see this, these two dots, they are called as umlaut. What is it? What it is called? It's umlaut. Okay, so this umlaut, this special character, can be used only with three alphabets. Okay, not with all the alphabets which we have, but it is used only with three alphabets. And the basic function of this umlaut is it changes the pronunciation of those three alphabets. Yeah, so we'll see. So this is O. So O umlaut becomes, the pronunciation is yo, yo, yo. Yeah. Next is A umlaut. So A umlaut becomes A. The pronunciation becomes A. Next, U umlaut. Yeah, the third alphabet is U umlaut. U umlaut becomes U. U. You just have to twist your tongue. It's U. And so these are the only alphabets with umlaut. And yeah, not to worry. we'll get to learn more about it and the pronunciation in our other classes. Yeah. So there is one more new character which is set. I guess you all would have heard about it. Set. Yeah. So this is called as. So you can write it either like this, or nowadays it's double S. Even if you write double S instead of this character, it's all the same. Yeah. So this is, you get it? It's, so this is, yeah. So these are the only extra things which you had to know about the alphabets in German. Uh, yeah. So please practice it regularly. You'll be well versed with it. It's not very difficult. It is very simple. You just need to be interested in this language. Yes. So follow my channel in order to see next videos. See ya.